Why are there not more people talking about the world's largest chocolate cake? Imagine the excitement and joy of creating the biggest cake in the world. It's epic, it's delicious, and it's happening here. This isn't just any chocolate cake. It's a celebration of all things sweet and indulgent. First, let's gather our ingredients. We need mountains of flour, lakes of milk, and an abundance of eggs. And of course, enough chocolate to make Willy Wonka jealous. Next, it's mixing time. Imagine a mixer the size of a car, industrial grade to handle massive quantities. Pouring the batter is a workout. It takes a team effort to get it all into the pan. Now, into the oven it goes. This custom-built oven is designed to bake our colossal cake perfectly. While we wait, let's whip up the frosting. Creamy, dreamy goodness to cover every inch. Finally, the moment of truth. We pull out our behemoth of a cake, and it's perfect. Time to frost, decorate, and admire our masterpiece. This is where the magic happens. The biggest chocolate cake ever baked. Ready to dig in? A slice of history in every bite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic baking adventures. Join us next time for another colossal challenge.